Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Sony LinkBuds with your PC. You have to start by click on the Windows icon, then go to Settings, Devices, add Bluetooth. Now open the case and after that press and hold connectional button at the back for at least 3 seconds until you can see that LED light starts flashing blue. Right here. Now click on your headphones and then done. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!